Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be getting a neon dog. So, I have 5. Forget that one. We have this one, which is a preteen. Oh god. And then we have the other, which is newborn. So this is newborn. Oh, that's newborn. That's teen. That's newborn. And that's newborn. So, this is called Doggy Dog. He is my pride and joy. And we do have like other stuff as well. We have like minions and ghost dogs and all this jazz. But we're not doing it today. We are aging up the dog. So my friend actually lost a neon dog, so it's gonna make me kind of jealous, but we're making one for ourselves because I've always wanted a neon dog. No, sorry, I didn't want to go in there. I don't pay attention. So now, once we've done that, I don't have my house anymore. I got rid of my house because I need money. So, pick up. We're gonna go and head out on my princess carriage. I didn't buy this. This is just I got it in like a trade with something. I can't remember. I've had it for a few days, weeks, whatever. I think about a week or something. So, pizza party now, and then pick up. There we go. So it's November 6th, so Christmas time. Oh, okay. I can't put that on. I don't know if that's copyright or not, but someone's got a new one, and love that. I would do it in a private server, but I don't really want to. I can't be asked to switch servers now. So yeah, he's close to half preteen, which is really good. I've kind of forgot how many there are. I think like 8 or 9 left to go. But I'm tired, but whatever. So now that we've done this, we can not do that. We can go ahead and leave this place now. Get on our carriage. There we go. So we'll get on our carriage. We're gonna wait until the next task is ready. Okay, so hi, it's the next day. I got distracted. I thought we'd do some trading for it because I wanted to do trading, so I'm doing trading. It's my video, I can do what I want. So, yeah, I'm just gonna try and trade this minion because they're really hard to trade for. Someone's got a neon Sasquatch, and I don't want it anymore. I'm gonna try and see if I can get that wide this, because no, not with just the minion. I will offer for it, but the minion will definitely be in there because I don't want the minion anymore. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Oh, too many people. Can't see. Don't normally do servers this big. Okay. I'm gonna do the minion. Zebra. Yes. Zebra. I'll do an ant. I'll do a cracked egg. And I'll do I don't know how she wants for it. I don't know. Are you gonna do this? No? Okay. Fair enough. Someone's got a parrot. That neon, yeah, it's a neon. Okay, I'm gonna get my double cup because I feel like, where is it? There. Alright, he needs a task. He needs sleep. Okay. Where's my car? Here it is. This one. Oh, I'm not a good driver. Okay. I'm such a bad driver. I need to turn around. If I turn around, it'd be easier to... There we go. Okay, my home is this way. So we're gonna... Here it is. Okay. Get him... Okay. He needs sleep. Oh, I left the house. He's in the way. Get out of the way. Okay, there we go. Where's he gone? Sleep. Thank you. You need all the sleep you can get, friend, because we need to get you to pay to teen, whatever it comes off. I'm not sure. It's the first time logging in today, so I'm gonna change cars because I don't want this one. I have this. This is all I have to do. Why is he wanting it? I think it's because I put him away in my inventory, so he doesn't have any like tasks. Oh. And so if I do it, okay. I'm not gonna get that. But I have, so okay. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, I'm just gonna smash into that apparently. I kind of want to buy the big gift thing because I want that car. I want this thing. I'm gonna buy a massive gift. And I'm gonna open it and we're gonna see what we get. What did I get? Ooh! My voice went really high pitched then, but I got an ultra rare tractor straw. Oh look, that's adorable. Wait. That's the cutest thing. Okay. I'm gonna come back when he has more things. Wait, is that a wait. Is that a crocodile? No, it's a false leg. Okay. Be back later. Okay. It's now sleep time for Cool Doggy Dog. So I'm gonna get this back out because we're gonna go back to the. What I might do next task is wait to do about 4 tasks, so I don't have to get cut in the video because it's more editing, which I can't be asked to do. So I do love editing, but that's why I came back. But you know, if the video is a certain length, then it takes longer to post, which is just so irritating. Oh, okay. Firstly, I don't know what this does. Kill all potion. I have one. Yeah. So I'll be back when there's a bunch more tasks to do. Okay, so I'm all the way out here because I was trying to trade someone and they kept running away. And they're being really annoying. So I now have 5 tasks. So I thought I'd do them, and then next video we will do more, because I think this has already gone on for long enough. So you need to go to the campsite first. Driving is yet again awful. This car is way too quick. I just like it because of that quickness, but I'm bad at driving it. Oh, this person has got a normal dog, and I wanted to get off of it, but they didn't have the trades on to only like friends, so it's very annoying. So I need to shower the doggy. Chocolate Labrador, there we go. And I can also feed it when it comes out of the thing. And so it needs water. And, oh, that's not. It also needs, there we go. And it needs sleep. So, put it in here. And it should almost be teen. Okay, we'll do this last task, because I feel like that'll get it up to teen. And I want it to be on teen, so let's manically drive out of here. And I can't. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh goodness, I can't. Oh, my driving is so awful. I'm worse than Sunny Xmas, and she's bad. Love her really, but you know, whatever. Okay, we're gonna go to the school. Pick him up. There we go. Okay. Excuse me, how dare you make my dog sick? It's very rude. I need to go to the hospital now, that's annoying. Oh, and now he's hungry. Literally, me when I'm sick pretty much is hungry. Okay, come over here. I'm gonna feed you a pie. There we go. So we need hospital. Oh, yay! It's teen! That's really good, actually. So then we can try and get up to full grown in the next video, and then we've only got to do another 3 dogs. Hooray. If you didn't know, I spent like about a week aging up my cousin's slug for her. Just so she could trade it away, and then trade that pet away she got for the slug. And she got it back now, so that was fun. So I'm very familiar with edging up pets in this game, and also I did it for like a year when I first started playing. I don't mean like a couple of years ago. So now we're gonna go to the hospital if I can walk out the door. Okay, here we are. Get back in here. Just drive through all the people. I feel like... Okay. Oh, I need the doggy. Come on, there we go. Okay. And then all I have to do is give the dog an apple from Nurse Nee. Feed. Oh. Feed pet. There we go. So, that will be the end of this video. I hope you guys, walking the wrong way, like this video. Next video will be getting up to full grown. Don't know when it's going to be out, probably tomorrow, probably the day after, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.